What is up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm back with a new photo shoot that I just recently did with one of my models. And if you've been following my YouTube channel, you saw some work that we've done together before. So this time it's a little bit different because we actually did an inside shoot. Well, I am located in Nebraska and it is hard to get outside during the wintertime to actually do a photo shoot. So we wanted to do something different and we did a photo shoot inside of a laundromat. So it was just something fun that we wanted to try. It was interesting having to maneuver around all the people that were in the laundromat actually washing their clothes, and we were just trying to stay out of everyone's way. So if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to go ahead and do that and hit the like button. And also go back into the history and look at some of the other video shoots that I've done. And guys, check it out. I also want to share with you something special. This is something that I just got. It's actually a product from Newer. It's called a hexadecagon parabolic softbox. I mean, this thing is huge. It's 36 inches wide and 90 centimeters deep. So it produces really soft light. I love the fall off. I love how natural the photos come out. Here's actually a few examples that I took using this softbox on my new backdrop that I also got. Stay tuned for some more sample pictures with this softbox. And actually the softbox costed about $67.99 on Amazon. So run over to Amazon, pick that up if you're a photographer and you're interested in doing off-camera flashing. You want your photos to look like really soft and natural. All right, no more delay. Here's the photo shoot. I just want to show you socks. All right. You want to put one of your the heel up on. Sorry. There we go. And then take your hands and on the inside. There we go. Since it's YouTube. There you go. Nice green. Alright. Being on the eyes to make sure that you're not blinking or that you're not squinting an eye. So let's do that one again. And then we'll take pictures like this. If you want to turn to the side and do that type of stuff like girls do, but I'm trying not to be too girly looking. Okay. Okay.
That way they can
Alright. My dear. So you can kind of lean back, look this way. You can turn to the side, maybe lift one leg up like this, and you don't always have to look at the camera. We'll get different shots of you look in different directions, but don't feel like you always have to look at the camera.
Okay.
Just if you, so that way the front of you is always lit up. All right. And then look as if you're looking at someone. All right. Here we go. It looks like attitude. I like that. All right. There you go. You like that one? Yeah. I like that one. Just in case we want to do something with the sheets and stuff.
Okay. Okay, it's ready to go.
Ready to go. All right. Small basket with our Funyuns. Well, let me hold it. Let me hold it so it don't flip on you.
There you go.
All right. There you go. What type of gum is it?
It just says bubble gum. Bubble gum.
Oh, okay.
I haven't had this in a
For some reason with the knees up to the chest. Do you need? Yeah. Do you need to lean a little bit more?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna move. Please. Big old bubble. Alright, this is your mouse trying to blow a bubble. Oh man, I was just getting ready to. I like to see you, your mouse. Here we go. 2, 3. Like you're pushing your hair away from your ears. Go ahead and lift it all the way up. So you're gonna put all your weight on this, and that elbow is gonna be up. Yeah, there we go.